right, we're just gonna centralize our crab. Next, I'm coming in with some corn that I par cooked, and we are just gonna put that right on the sides of our crab. This is gonna be a super easy and delicious dinner or lunch, whatever you wanna make it for. Everyone will love it. It's great to feed a crowd, great for a potluck, great for whatever you wanna make it for. Oh my goodness. Next, I'm coming in with my par cooked red potatoes, and I cooked these for about 10 minutes, just boiling it on my stovetop. Look how delicious all these look. Now we're kind of going for like a seafood boil vibe, so I'm gonna bring in my smoked sausage, and we are gonna cut up our smoked sausage right inside of our pan. With that crab, with those potatoes, with that corn. You just want little coins of sausage right in there. This one we do not need a par cooked. I did defrost my crab legs so that they can all cook beautifully together in the oven. This is so much easier than doing a classic seafood boil because you can do it all in your oven. Most people don't have a big old pot to do something like this, so this is a great alternative to that with still some great flavors and some great food. Now I'm gonna grab some lemon and my lemon juicer, and we're gonna go ahead and get that delicious lemon juice all onto our corn, our sausage, our potatoes, and our crab. This is gonna be so delicious. We're gonna use about 2 full lemons because this is a big serving. So you need a lot of juice. Lemon juice just goes so beautifully with anything seafood, especially a seafood boil. Make sure you get all that delicious juices out. I'm gonna do that second lemon off camera. All right, last thing we need to do is I'm gonna grab 3 sticks of melted butter, and you know it, we have some Old Bay seasoning, and we're gonna add a generous amount of Old Bay seasoning right into our butter. This is gonna season up our entire seafood boil, so I'm gonna add about 4 tablespoons in there, and then you know it, some minced garlic. We're gonna add some minced garlic. You can use fresh, but you guys know I love my garlic. All right, now we're gonna grab a whisk and mix this together super quickly. Look how delicious. That's how you know it is perfectly seasoned, when it's that beautiful rust color. Oh yeah, okay. Now that that's mixed together, it is time to just drizzle it onto our entire pan. Ooh, this is gonna be so delicious. I absolutely love crab, I love corn, I love potatoes, and I love sausage. Make sure you get all of that perfectly on there. 3 cups of butter was chef's kiss. Yum. Now last but certainly not least, I'm just gonna add some chopped parsley. You know I love my greenery, and this is no different. Look how beautiful that makes it look. And since most of this is already par cooked, it's gonna be super quick in the oven, which is my favorite part. Beautiful. Now before we pop this in the oven, we're just gonna quickly cover it with some foil. All right, my oven is set to 400, and it's gonna be in there for about 20 minutes. Oh my goodness, this smells absolutely incredible. It is time to check this baby out. Let's see. Oh, that steam. All right, it's time to get serving. I'm gonna take 2 corns because corn is my favorite. It's got the juice. We're gonna take some potatoes. Oh, those are perfectly cooked. Yummy. We're gonna get some sausage. Oh, all that goodness. And then of course, this part. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that serving. All right. Woo, okay. Whew, we almost got that whole piece out. All right, we're gonna start with that little delicious piece of crab meat. I usually have my husband open up my crab legs, so do not come at me. He'll do it once we're done filming. Let's try this. Oh my goodness. Wow, this was just some of the butter from the seafood boil. That's really good.